Decatur, Alabama, a town where the Tennessee River carves its way through the landscape, leaving behind a legacy of beauty and a spirit of independence. This is a place where the charm of the South isn't just a saying, it's a way of life. Folks here will greet you with a smile and a story, eager to share the treasures of their corner of Alabama. The air here carries the scent of magnolia and honeysuckle, a sweet reminder of the natural beauty that surrounds this place. From the rolling hills to the riverbanks lined with cypress trees, Decatur is a feast for the senses. But it's the people that truly make this town special. Their warmth and hospitality are as much a part of Decatur's identity as the river itself. They are the keepers of the stories, the guardians of the traditions, and the heart and soul of this southern gem. So come on down and sit a spell. Let the river lull you and the stories captivate you. Decatur is waiting to welcome you home. Just a stone's throw from Decatur's bustling downtown lies a world untouched, a sanctuary for nature's wonders. Wheeler National Wildlife Refuge sprawls across thousands of acres, a testament to the untamed beauty of Alabama's wilderness. Here, the symphony of the city fades, replaced by the chorus of crickets and the rustle of leaves. The refuge is a haven for migratory birds, their vibrant plumage a stark contrast to the deep green of the wetlands. Ducks dabble in the shallows, their calls echoing across the water. Deer graze peacefully in the meadows, their eyes watchful but calm. For those seeking solace in nature's embrace, Wheeler offers miles of trails winding through forests and along the water's edge. Cast a line into the water, hoping for a tug on the other end, or simply sit and breathe in the fresh air, letting the peace of the refuge wash over you. Wheeler is a reminder that even in the midst of our busy lives, there are still places where nature reigns supreme. It is a gift, a treasure to be cherished and protected, a testament to the wild beauty that lies at Decatur's doorstep. The Tennessee River is more than just a body of water. It's the lifeblood of Decatur, a shimmering ribbon that winds its way through the heart of the town. This mighty river has borne witness to history, its currents carrying the dreams and aspirations of generations past. Today, the river is a playground for those seeking adventure and tranquility in equal measure. Boats of all shapes and sizes cut through the water, leaving trails of white foam in their wake. Fishermen cast their lines, hoping to reel in a catfish or bass. Kayakers and canoers glide along the shoreline, their paddles dipping rhythmically into the water. The sun dances on the surface, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of light and shadow. Parks and green spaces dot the riverbanks, offering breathtaking views and a chance to reconnect with nature. Whether you're seeking a day of fun in the sun or a peaceful moment of reflection, the Tennessee River offers something for everyone. It's a constant source of beauty and inspiration, a reminder that some things, like the river itself, are timeless. Section 4. Echoes of the Past. Decatur's Historical Treasures. Beneath Decatur's modern facade lies a rich tapestry of history, woven into the very fabric of the town. From its days as a river port to its role in the Civil War, Decatur's past is a story waiting to be told. The echoes of bygone eras can be found in the grand architecture of the old State Bank, its stately columns a testament to a time of prosperity and growth. Museums like the Morgan County Archives and the Historic Depot Museum offer a glimpse into Decatur's past, showcasing artifacts and exhibits that bring history to life. Walk the streets of the historic districts where antebellum homes stand as silent sentinels to a bygone era. Imagine the lives lived within those walls, the stories whispered through the generations. Decatur's history is a testament to the resilience and spirit of its people, a legacy that continues to shape the town today. It's a reminder that the past is never truly gone but lives on in the stories we tell and the places we preserve. Section 5. A Taste of the South, savoring Decatur's culinary delights. No trip to Decatur would be complete without indulging in its culinary delights, where Southern hospitality meets down-home cooking. This is a place where food is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of flavor, tradition, and community. Step into a local diner, and the aroma of fried chicken, collard greens, and cornbread will transport you back in time. Savor the sweetness of pecan pie, its gooey center a taste of Southern comfort. And don't forget to wash it all down with a glass of sweet tea, its refreshing coolness the perfect antidote to a warm Southern day. Decatur's culinary scene is a melting pot of flavors, reflecting the town's diverse heritage. From barbecue joints to family-owned restaurants, there's something to please every palate. So come hungry and leave satisfied. Because in Decatur, good food is a given and a shared meal is a cherished tradition.